Alright, about finished hooking up this electric fence here. Got it grounded, got it hooked up. The neighbor's been watching me since yesterday. So I got my phone set up here. His house is in the background. He's still sitting out on his porch watching. So this is how you keep your neighbors from messing around and coming on your property, especially if they're sitting there watching you the whole damn time. So I'm gonna turn it on. I'm gonna pretend that I just got lit up. Ah! Maybe I should have threw a foul in there too. That would have been pretty good if I would have threw in a fallen on the ground too. Well, it's live. Now I just gotta wait for him to come over and try it out. I think he's getting up off his porch right now, probably grabbing his phone.